Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice ruby red coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the 4K tow package, the XLT luxury package, and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your classic backup camera with mud flaps on the rear, and front we got some nice looking rims with blind spot detection. We got a remote start on this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months, with recovery hooks and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, carpeted floor mats. You do get all weather floor mats as well. You got cup holders, USB-Cs, 120 volts, with plenty of door space in the back, and you do get under seat storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 26 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Digital speedometer, and we do get lane centering with My View, trip and economy, towing, set info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, hill, auto stop-start, traction, and tons of storage. We do get your center console as well with tons of more storage underneath. Engine start-stop, 12-volt, and your outlets. You got your volume, playback, play forward, comm screen, hazards, max temp, and auto hold. Storage below and on the dash with a lovely infotainment system here, where we do get audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, heated front seats, and your climate controls, heated mirrors. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, your settings, features of the vehicle, towing, owner's manual, driving assist, and any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And shifting to reverse, we do get the lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA95934, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.